What's up today, guys? Welcome back to DK Custom Trucks, and today we're seeing something that you guys have never seen before. Not never, like you've never seen one of these trucks before, but like, so Scott did a thing. He had a Ford Ranger and he traded it for something really cool. However, needs a lot of love. He picked up a 98 GMC Sierra. It's a 1500, and when I tell you it needs a lot of love, it needs a lot of love, but we're going to give it to it. You guys are going to get to see the entire process. This is going to be part one of it. So here's the truck. It's actually not too bad, like looking at it this way. And I mean, the paint's just really ugly. It's really loud. It's got nice taillights and everything in it. The majority of the rest is on the other side on the back door, but here's the meat and potatoes of part of what's wrong with it. There's no dash. However, we're going to be correcting that. Hopefully today. We just got back from our local junkyard and sourced a dash out of a truck that we were going to buy a long time ago. So that's what's going to happen here, is we're just going to start getting to work on putting the whole new dash in this and making this a pretty truck again. So I guess without further ado, we'll get started on that. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking at. It's a new dash out of a 1998. It was also a 98, but it was out of a Silverado. This is pretty much what's left of the old dash. Not even joking. Like, it was just completely gone. I'm not sure what happened to it. The other guy might have broke it by accident. I think that's what he said, is he was doing the heater core in it, and it just wouldn't go back together pretty much, or it fell apart when he took it apart. It's a 20-some-year-old truck. I'm not trying to blame the guy. Shit happens. But all in all, it's not going to be too bad. Mostly, and I know it looks worse than it is. It really does. It looks way worse than it is. We're gonna paint the whole truck. There's gonna be a whole series of doing body work and stuff. We're gonna remove the bed, make it nice again. Then we're going to do the cab, and we have another hood that we're going to be putting on it. Frame's going to be redone, probably new wheels. This is a project that's actually going to happen, guys. Like, if Scott gets tired of it and wants to sell it, I'm going to buy the motherfucker to fix it. So, yeah, without further ado, we're going to jump into this. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to show you guys because it's kind of dark in here, so I might just check in periodically to show you what's going on with this. So stay tuned. I'll bring you back whenever we have something to show. Alright guys, so some time has passed. Like I said, I'll bring you whenever something's done. I think I was just showing you guys the door. Anyways, I am so freaking stoked about this. I've never done this before in my life. You know, obviously I'm really young, so like everything I'm doing is like very, 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 very new to me. So I had to enunciate that. But there is now a completed dash inside this truck. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I think Scott is going to be very happy with how it turned out. And everyone else that sees it is going to be at least fairly impressed with the progress. Because it's only been an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours at most. But so here it is.
Hey Scott, what's the temp on that?
It didn't get that hot yet.
Fuck no. He said this thing's gonna be steaming by the time we get to the trailer.
No, it's just smoky. Woo, that's antifreeze.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a blown head gasket. Was that to the floor? Yeah, it's kind of fucking right now.
Put it in this and rub it out.
Still sounds strong.
That's proof.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Put it in 4-wheel drive. That's probably gonna come out. What the fuck are you doing?
You were wrong.
Wait, you were trying to do donuts with 4-wheel drive?
It's strong running truck though.
Do I need to move it?
Nope, you're good.
Sure.
Yep.
She was nervous over here.
What's he even doing? How do you even drive this thing without a back?
All right, guys. So there's been a lot of time that's passed, and so so there's another one.
You would have been impressed tonight.
Silverado, and man, that's antifreeze. Calm down. You don't listen very well. This thing just kind of does what it wants. Yeah, there's no one in the truck at all.
What do you think?
Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright guys, this is probably going to wrap up the video for tonight. Obviously it's dark out, can't see much. If you guys like the video, like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.